The Chevrolet Cobalt SS comprises three sport compact versions of the Chevrolet Cobalt that were built on the General Motors Delta platform at Lordstown Assembly in Ohio, United States. The three versions included two forced induction inline 4 Ecotec engines and a third naturally aspirated engine that was later called the Cobalt Sport. SS is an abbreviation of Super Sport, a historic moniker used by Chevrolet to denote high-performance upgrades that meet certain criteria. The Cobalt SS was GM's first foray into the tuner market, launching as a 205 horsepower supercharged 2.0 liters coupe in late 2004, paired only with the F35 5-speed manual transmission of Opel. The following year, a naturally aspirated 1SS model equipped with GM's new 2.4 liters 171 horsepower engine was added in both coupe and sedan body styles, including automatic and manual transmission options. Production of the supercharged coupe continued until 2007, and after a brief hiatus the SS relaunched in the second quarter of 2008 with a more efficient and powerful turbocharged 2.0 liters engine producing 260 horsepower before all Cobalt production ended in 2010. The Cobalt SS received generally positive reviews, particularly the turbocharged and supercharged versions. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.